I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you're trying to keep track of your spending with Mint Mobile, checking your transaction history is a breeze. Here is how to do it step by step. Step 1. Open the Mint Mobile app. Launch the Mint Mobile app on your smartphone. Make sure you relog in with your account credentials. Step 2. Navigate to Account section. Once you're in the app, find the Account tab at the bottom of the screen. This is where you can manage your account settings and view your history. Step 3. Select Transaction History. In the Account section, look for the Transaction History option. Tap on it to view all your past transactions. Step 4. Filter Transactions. If you want to narrow down your search, use the filter options available. You can sort by date or type of transaction. Step 5. Review Details. Click on any transaction to see more details, including the date, amount, and type of service. This can help you track your spending effectively. Sometimes transactions might take a little while to appear, so don't worry if you don't see a recent charge right away. Happy tracking!